A pleasant morning to all of you.
Good morning po.
One of the lessons that I learned in my life as a priest is you cannot please everybody. There will always be people who will criticize you, say something about what you do, or say something about what you are not doing. It is dumb if you do, dumb if you don't situation. Sa Tagalog, sala sa init, sala sa lamig. I think that is one of the situations Jesus confronted during his lifetime. People are never satisfied. They are hard to please. When John the Baptist came not eating, they said he is crazy. When Jesus came eating, they say he is a glutton. Whatever we do, there will always be people that will find fault. There will always be criticisms. But the other lesson that I learned also in the priesthood is this. Not only that there will be people hard to please, but you have to do the right thing. Jesus did the right thing. Jesus did the will of God. He was not concerned about pleasing people. He was concerned about pleasing God. Kaya kung merong mga tao na pupunahin ang ating ginagawa, minsan sisiraan pa tayo, wag nyo na lang pansinin. Ipagdasal nyo, pero gawin nyo kung ano ang nararapat. Sa opisina, sa trabaho, sa community, di ba may mga ganyan tao? Walang hinihintay kundi ikaw ay magkamali at punahin. Walang hinihintay kundi tignan kung ano yung ginagawa mo at punahin. Sometimes we are threatened by that. And we say to ourselves, hindi na lang ako gagawa. Wala na lang akong gagawin. Magkukulong na lang ako sa kwarto. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. That does not solve the problem because you may make them, your critique, successful. And so, the Lord did what He was supposed to do because what is important is He pleases the Father. He follows the Father. Let us do the right thing. Or in the words of the first reading, let us love. Because when we love, we will always do the right thing. Amen.